Hello everybody. Today we will start to discuss problems from US Physics Olympiad year 2011, first round, F equal MA. They were given as usual 25 problems for 75 minutes. For solutions for all problems you can check the reference under this video. First problem. A cyclist travels at constant speed of 22.0 kilometers per hour, except for a 20-minute stop. Cyclist average speed was 17.5 kilometers per hour. How far did the cyclist travel? Solution. Let's write definition for average speed. Average speed by definition equal total distance divided by total time. In our case, total distance is a distance which was traveled by cyclist during this first period of time with a speed 22 kilometers per hour. And time equal time to travel with this speed, t1, plus time for stop is t2. At time t1, that's total distance divided by speed of 22 kilometers per hour. So that's our equation. In this equation we know what is average speed, what is distance, what is speed for the first period of time, and what is time to stop. So from here we can find what is total distance. That's the solution for this equation. When we put numbers we will get 28.5 kilometers. Correct answer is A. Problems from 2nd till 4th. Questions 2 to 4 refer to the three graphs below which show velocity of three objects as a function of time. Each object is moving only in one dimension. So problem number 2. Rank the magnitudes of the average acceleration during the 10-second interval. Let's see. By definition, average velocity equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by total time. Total time everywhere is the same, it's 10 seconds. And the difference between the final and initial velocities are the same. That's 2 meters per second. In the first and in the second graph that's a negative, and in the third graph it's positive. But we are interested in absolute value for this average velocity. So they have the same absolute value, 2 meters per second over 10 seconds. So it means that the correct answer here is E. 1 equal 2 equal 3. Problem number 3. Rank the magnitudes of the maximum velocity achieved during the 10-second interval. Solution. In this case, on the first graph we have maximum velocity is 4 meters per second. On the second graph that will be 2 meters per second, and on the third graph that's 2 meters per second. So it means that the correct answer is D. 1 more than 2, which is equal 3. Problem number 4. Rank the magnitudes of the distance traveled during the 10-second interval. Solution. To count what is total distance, we need to count what is area under the curve, but distance, it means that that would be absolute value. So on the first graph, this area equal 18. On the second graph, that's 19. And on the third graph, that's 14. It means that the correct answer is B. Second is the greatest, more than first, and first more than third. So correct answer is B.